Can you solve this exponential equation in under 30 seconds? It looks tricky, but there is a simple trick to crack it instantly. Let us find out. Here is the problem. If 2 raised to the power of 3x minus 1 equals 32, what is the value of x? Your options are A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4, or E, 5. To solve this, we need to get both sides of the equation to have the same base. We know that the left side has a base of 2. So let us look at the number 32 on the right side. Can we express 32 as a power of 2? Yes. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, and times 2 again is 32. That means 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now rewrite the equation. 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 equals 2 to the power of 5. Since the bases are now identical, their exponents must be equal too. So we can just drop the bases and set up a simple linear equation. (3x minus 1 equals 5). Now solve for x using basic algebra. Add 1 to both sides and you get 3x equals 6. Divide by 3 and you get x equals 2. Looking back at our options, that corresponds to choice B. And there you have it. The answer is 2. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more math tricks.